Hi, everybody. AJ Colby here in the Weather Center, and happy Hump Day, everybody. Wednesday, March 26th, 2025, and little sun breaking out. Boy, I'll tell you, a cold day today. Temperatures struggling to make it out of the 30s, and with a brisk wind, that'll definitely get your attention, to say the least. Late March, you would think it'd be perhaps a little bit nicer, but you can't count on anything like that, obviously, here in greater Cleveland. We'll start off, as we like to do, with a forecast first, taking us into the weekend. Everyone wants to see the forecast. That's the big tamale. We'll start off with Friday's forecast, and it looks a little wet. On the soggy side, well, at least it's milder, right? 63. We're going to be near 70 degrees both Saturday and Sunday. Right now, it looks like Saturday might be the pick of the two weekend days, as the first part of the day should be dry. Temperatures will be at least warmer as we end the month of March. Monday, the last day of March, showers, cooler, high near 50, and we probably won't make it out of the low 40s looking ahead to the first day of April. No fooling. It's going to be on the chilly side, to say the least. All right, let's have a look at Fairport Harbor here, and look at that. Basically sunny skies, some clouds off in the distance, but other than that, it looks a little brisk, doesn't it? Even though the wave action isn't very impressive there, the windsock is still pretty horizontal, and that's indicative of at least a modest wind going on out there right now. From outer space, we have a look at satellite imagery. A good chunk of the state seeing a good amount of sun, a goodly amount of sun, if you will. I guess that's one way to look at it. But winds are flowing in out of the north and west, and we've locked into that chilly flow for now. Should be fairly quiet tonight, though, as the winds ease, becoming calm eventually. And most of the cloud cover downstate is also going to dissipate across the country. A little bit of weather action over New England and the high plains down toward Texas. We've got some showery, thundery weather. Meantime, radar is fairly inactive in our neck of the woods. There's a little bit of light snow and rain mixed over New England, and some rain showers Fargo down to Sioux Falls. So we put the maps in motion. High pressure pretty much in control here, although downstate there are a few light, spotty rain showers. Snow over parts of New England. Tomorrow morning, rain over Illinois and Indiana, but we should be dry tomorrow as high pressure remains in pretty decent control. It won't be as cold tomorrow as it was today. Meantime, developing warm front over the plain states tomorrow night on into early Friday morning. Here comes the rain, and that's a gush of rain coming in along the warm front, which does move to the north. Right now, the forecast is for that front to move north. Notice the web of pressure lines a little bit closer together, indicative of some higher winds, so probably a bit breezy Friday going into Friday night. Here's the futurecast radar, and it's very widely scattered spotty showers until we head into the day on Friday. There comes the rain, and there's likely going to be some thunder over parts of the Hoosier State. We likely will not have thunder here, but never trust a warm front. We'll have to keep our eyes peeled on that to see if any thunder does develop. Meantime, our forecast for tonight goes as follows. Mostly clear. It'll be chilly tonight, otherwise uneventful. Winds are light out of the north at 5 to 7 with a low of 28. That's pretty nippy weather, a frosty cold start tomorrow, but then sunshine and increasing clouds going through the day. Not as cold. High should top out of the upper 50s. Winds south becoming west at 10 to 15. Will that be enough to hold a lake breeze at bay, since lake water is still very cold? Lake breeze doesn't take much to get that to kick in, but with a strong enough wind velocity out of the south, that could hold the lake breeze at bay till it changes to the west, and that will shunt some of the colder air inland. We'll see if we flirt with 60. There it is, a final look at the extended outlook for the rest of the month. This takes us right on through the 31st. Friday's high 63 with rain showers likely and the warm front coming through, near 70 on Saturday and Sunday. with a pretty decent chance of rain. Best chance is going to be later in the day on Saturday. Sunday showers 68 and the high near 50. Cooler for Monday. First day of April on Tuesday does look chilly, low 40s. Hope you have a terrific night, everybody. Thanks for stopping by from the AJ Colby Weather Center. I am meteorologist AJ Colby. Have a great night, everybody.